All right, take down the question for SWOT analysis. Strength. There are some questions there. I will tell you which question you will write down. The first question is, as I said, strength and weakness are your internal qualities. Right? The first question is, what advantages do you have that others don't have? क्या advantages आपके पास है, that which you have, the skill which you possess. For example, कोई skill आपके पास है जो दूसरों के पास नहीं है, कोई सर्टिफिकेशन आपके पास है जो कि आपको सपोर्ट कर रहा है, एजुकेशन या आपके कनेक्शंस. कनेक्शंस का मतलब यहाँ पर होता है कि योर इंटरपर्सनल रिलेशनशिप, राइट. योर इंटरपर्सनल का मतलब होता है आप किस तरह के पर्सनालिटी, आपकी पर्सनालिटी क्या है और किस तरह से आपकी पर्सनालिटी मदद करती है आपको आगे बढ़ाने में. योर पर्सनालिटी, योर कम्युनिकेशन, योर रिलेशनशिप विद अदर्स, योर कनेक्शंस विद अदर्स, योर कनेक्टिविटी विद अदर्स कैसा है. हाँ, आप फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप बहुत तेज हैं, यू आर वेरी पार्टिसिपेटिव, यू आर अटेंटिव, लेकिन आपको किसी से पटती नहीं है, आपको कोई फ्रेंड ही नहीं है, जिससे भी मिलते हैं आप लड़ झगड़ लेते हैं उससे, या फिर आप दूसरे को डाउन करते हैं या अपने को सुपीरियर समझने लगते हैं. तो इस तरह के लोगों को भी लोग पसंद नहीं करते, जॉब में प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है. मैंने बता दिया. कनेक्शंस का मतलब यही होता है कि आपका हाउ इज योर बिहेवियर विद अदर्स. आर यू अ टीम प्लेयर, क्या आप टीमशिप आप में है, क्या किसी को मदद अपने क्लास में करी है. हैव यू एवर helped anybody, have you ever motivated anybody in the class. मतलब पार्टिसिपेट नहीं किए, दूसरे को बोले तुम करो ना. Motivation means have you ever showed the way to others. तो पहला क्वेश्चन, what advantages do you have that others don't have. The advantages of coming to, for example, आप जो offline class कर रहे हैं, the advantages that you are getting, you're attending classes offline, you are availing the help of the teachers, you are availing the lab, the library, you are participating, you are making presentations. All this will fall into your advantage. You are in one advantageous position where you say that I take myself out of the comfort zone to achieve whatever I want to achieve. Right? तो सबसे पहला तो क्या है, what advantages. आपका inner strength है, क्या आप कंफर्ट जोन से बाहर निकलते हैं किसी चीज को समझने के लिए, सीखने के लिए. डू यू गो आउट ऑफ योर वे टू लर्न थिंग्स. कोई चीज समझ में नहीं आ रही तो डू यू stay at home and wait for somebody else to come and help you, or do you go out to help, to ask for help. तो आप किस तरह के हैं, आप चुपचाप बैठे रहते हैं, कोई आके मदद करे, कोई आएगा तो मैं उसे पूछ लूंगा. यहाँ क्लास से कंफर्ट जोन में आप बैठे हैं, कुछ पूछना है आप बैठे हैं चुपचाप आराम से, कि मैम आएंगी तो उनसे पूछ लेंगे, सर आएंगे तो उनसे हम पूछ लेंगे. ऐसा नहीं कि सर मैम नहीं आई तो मैम को बुलाने नहीं जाएंगे, वो मैं नहीं करेंगे. मतलब कुछ जानने के लिए क्या आप, डू यू गो आउट ऑफ योर वे टू लर्न थिंग्स. ये यस नो क्वेश्चन नहीं है, इसमें यस है तो गिव एन एग्जांपल. So the first question, the students answer this question. What advantages do you have that others don't have? What skills do you have?
Ma'am, I have a question, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, how would I be able to know about others' advantages?
Yeah, you're talking about your advantage, Vinayak.
Okay.
ये आपका SWOT analysis हो रहा है ना, तो why you bother about others?
No, ma'am. Yeah, here it is written what advantages do you have that others don't have. So here the others don't have.
Of course, in a class, Vinayak, this is quite obvious that when you are making a presentation, you are always from your observation you will know, and you will say how will I know what others don't have? It means you are not observant. It means you are not aware of what others are speaking, how others are feeling about things. It means you have no interpersonal communication. You are not aware of what's going on around you. जैसे कुछ क्वेश्चन होता है तो you raise your hand, you answer, you ask questions, you are participative, but others are not. आप कह सकते हैं कि yes, I am assertive in a way. I am a little more assertive than the others. दूसरों से कुछ आप ये नहीं कर रहे हैं कि you are not saying that you others are not assertive. Assertive is frankly speaking what is in your mind, right?
Being candid, ma'am.
हाँ या आप ये नहीं कर रहे कि दूसरे लोग assertive नहीं है, but आप ये करें आप थोड़े से उनसे ज्यादा assertive हैं. And this is from my experience, which I am talking about you. My observation is that मैंने कई बार कहा भी है कि why only Vinayak Gupta is taking the lead in answering and asking questions all the time. So the advantages which I have over others is that I am a bit more assertive. थोड़ा सा मैं ज्यादा assertive हूँ लोगों से. Right? आप खुद अपने आप को जानते हैं. This is a question where you know about yourself. I don't know. Vinayak, what skill? Not only Vinayak, what skills do you have? एक तो है internal, आप assertive हैं, अपनी बात को रखने में आप रख देते हैं, बाकी लोग चुप लगा जाते हैं, लेकिन आप assertively अपनी बात को रखते हैं सामने. In technical term, इसको कहा जाता है assertive. ASSERTIVE. Assertive means अपने आप अपनी बात को सामने रखने में बिना संकोच के सामने रखते हैं. इन्हें कि रूड नहीं आप हैं, लेकिन अपनी बात को कह पाना बड़ी बात होती है. Okay, what skills do you have? Certification तो आप समझते ही हैं. Education, for example, you must have gone to a school where you must have got a lot of opportunities to perform, to excel. हो सकता है जैसे I have got a lot of advantages. My family, like being brought up in a family of educationists, so I am a little in a position where I know what education is all about. Coming from a family of educators, so I know the basics from the very beginning, from the very early childhood. I have known and I've been guided in a way which has put me in an advantageous position. About skills, again, skills means whatever you're taught at home. Family is your family is the best of schools, the first and the best of schools till date. So you learn a lot of things. If you are guided in a proper way at home, your parents are skillful enough to guide you, in a very advantageous position where you went to the best of schools in Bihar. I'm talking about myself. तो ये एडवांटेज मेरे है ना. Coming from a family of educationists बहुत बड़ी बात होती है. Getting the proper guidance is a great thing in life. Going to the best of schools is another thing which I can boast about. St. Joseph's Convent High School is by far the best school for girls in Bihar.
What's the name, ma'am?
St. Joseph's Convent High School. It is near Kuladia branch. You must have gone there. It is there. So going to the best of schools, education which I had, which I received, certainly is another thing which I'm proud of. Getting the right education at the right time, being guided by my parents from a very early age, having a very supportive family. Like I remember the days when there was my Hindi exams, final exams, and I was so upset because Hindi was something which my mother was really good at, because she used to write stories in Hindi, and she was a professor in psychology. And I remember for my Hindi exams, I used to be very much upset about. So I remember my mother coming to my room and She said, why don't you lie down and I'll read out the lessons to you. And this I still remember, though she's not alive, she's not here with me, but I still remember the bits which she put in, and which are years and years, decades from now. And I still remember when I was lying down, I was really upset, and I studied the whole day, and I thought that I'm not going to ace out this exam. But then my mother came up to me and she said, "You lie down, and I'm going to read it out." And I switched on my recorder, and she was reading out the lessons, explaining the poetries, and what Kabir Das and this and that, whatever the stories and poetries were. She read it out, and I recorded it. And when I was taking my exams, I remember her. I remembered the voice, the turning of the pages, and her pauses. And then she said, "Did you understand?" And then before I knew, I I just fell asleep. And she went on because she knew that I had switched on the recorder, and she completed the whole lesson and the lessons which I had tick marked. She read out the whole thing so that I'll wake up early in the morning with wee hours. I used to get up early, very early, 3:30, 4:30 I used to get up. And she knew that I'm going to wake up in the morning and I'm going to switch on the recorder. And yeah, continuously I was listening to her voice while getting dressed, getting ready for school. It was in my room. It was her voice. The whole air was filled with her voice and whatever she talked about. So, from a very understanding parent, this is an advantage. Like these are the things which I still remember. Though I have never been, I can never be more thankful, and my gratitude towards my parents and of course God for having provided such a beautiful, supportive family. And though yes, I confess the parents which my parents, whatever I availed, I could not give that to my children. So I could never be, I don't know, no matter how much I try, but then they are the persons you can really be proud of such parents, because of whom I am here today. All my, whatever I am, whatever is being taught, like Hindi was taken up by my mother and English by my parents were equally good at Hindi and English, but then they were very supportive. And one thing is very important also, that in a large joint family, she could find time to cater to children who needed her, to cater to the times when they were needed. So they understood. I never reached out to my mother that come and help me, या पढ़ा दीजिए या कुछ करिए. कभी हमने I never said that. But this one understood. Quietly, she used to come to my room, what I am doing. So one look at my face and she said, okay. She took over things. One advantage that I have of a very supportive family, and maybe others are not that lucky enough. Even my sisters, they are not that lucky. They they are they are less lucky than me. Like, but I had this advantage over them, and my sisters used to tell me that you are the favorite. I'm not the favorite. It's just that the parents always reach out to people, to children who need them the most, the weak children, the sick children. जो जिनको जरूरत ज्यादा होती है तो माँ उसी के पास ज्यादा रहती है. And being in a very advantageous position, having a supportive family, as I said, strength is your internal. Whatever you received from your inside. So right now I feel supportive. I feel strengthened. Like yes, I can do it. But whenever I have this, when I see confidence going out the door, I always feel that no, if my parents could have done so much in a joint family, large joint family, huge house and a large family with, we were 6 sisters and 1 brother, and my grandparents and my uncles. It was a beautiful large family, but they've all connected. Still getting the best of education and getting the best of everything. Right? And about certifications, yes, I was certified for, besides my extracurricular activities, I was for social work, I was given a certificate, like from Rotary Club and from Lions Club. My father was, my parents were members, so I used to participate in painting competitions, some charity work. I was always up to something or the other. That made me, these are the things which made me very outgoing. And I never felt shy of going out and reaching out to people and talking to them. So these things you can talk about, you learn from the opportunities you are getting before you go to school, or besides going to school, what are the things you learn and the opportunities you get in school. Please include the things which you have received from your parents, from your family. What are the things you have learned from your parents? And these are the advantages position. People are not lucky like, yes, I am lucky. And certifications for, I used to learn violin, music was always there. And my connections, yeah, try to be a people person. This has become my tagline. Ma'am se pucho, what is, how can you define yourself? So the answer is, I'm a people. I love to connect with people. I love to speak, irrespective of how old are you, or what is your age, or whatever. Just connecting, inspiring people, motivating people to do good, to do well, to help out, to reach out to people, and because yeah, and I am a bit spiritual, which also is there, because I see the Almighty in all the creatures. So these are the advantages position. So this is what I have in my exam, in my answer I've told you. What advantages do I have that others don't have? My skills. I learned, I was made to learn music, I was made to learn painting, I was made to learn uh, violin or whatever. Made to learn. When you are a child, my father wanted us to have the best of everything. So there were teachers for music, there were teachers for singing, there were teachers for a lot of things and certifications. Yeah, taking things further. So yeah, English there's a saying, catching them young. Catching them young means बचपन से अगर कोई चीज सिखाई जाती है, वो सीड्स डाला जाता है अगर माइंड में, ये भी जरूरी है. Culturally, I was in a very advantageous position. So these are the things which I can talk about. And now on the basis of how I gave you the example, how I answered this question. Now the time is for you. How are you going to answer this question? What advantages do you have that others don't have? Like Vinayak, मुझे कैसे पता था कि ये एडवांटेज दूसरे को नहीं मिला होगा? नहीं मिला है, मेरे घर में नहीं मिला, मेरी सिस्टर्स को नहीं मिल पाया, मेरा छोटा भाई उसको भी नहीं मिल पाया. The amount of attention that I got.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
you know about that you got the maximum attention as compared to that of your family members because you live in the family. So if we are going to an interview, how would I be able to know about the other candidates whom I which
Of course, Vinayak, मैंने क्या कहा, इसको भी आपको जवाब ऐसे देना है कि the advantages that I have over others is that I have loads of patience. If others have 90%, 60% patience, I have 90%. This creativity, this willingness to learn. If others have 20%, I have the 80%. I remember those times when people were freaking out or people were going out for parties. I used to stay back to learn a little more, to stay back and do to finish the work which was pending. I was not satisfied with my work, so I stayed back while others were partying. I sat back and I finished my work to my satisfaction. You can finish it work just for the heck of it. मैंने खत्म कर लिया. लेकिन are you satisfied with your work? No. So when there's content writing, when I write something for the internet or for the students or for the Facebook, I make a rough draft. I do not publish unless and until I am satisfied with what I did. If I feel no, something is still lacking, I do not publish. I wait. Sometimes there are some pressures. I have to write something for Pura, writing something, some questions for Pura. Some people ask me questions about English or something or the other. So people लोग पूछते हैं, तो जब तक I'm not satisfied, I will not publish. So this is in me. While others are going out, time out हो गया है, 6 बज गया है, people are leaving, packing their bags. I just quietly I come up to this room only. I come here and I finish off in a quiet place. I spend time. So some people come and tell me, "Ma'am, आपकी गाड़ी आ रही है." क्या I don't know. Sometimes I stay back to 6:30, 6:45. I finish my work. It happens, no? So what would you call this? Like I come at 9 and 6 is a fairly long time in the office, but then why do I stay back? I stay back. Not always. It doesn't happen always, but when something is, when the deadline has been given to me, I mean, I feel I think I should do this. Then I creep up quietly and I finish the work. Sometimes it takes a couple of minutes. Sometimes the mind does not accept, no, this could have been better. You can do this better. Not like this. Unless and until I'm satisfied, I will not publish or I will not leave the desk. इसको क्या कहेंगे? The advantages of being a little more patient. धैर्य है मेरे. So these are the things you know about yourself. बाकी लोग हम देखते हैं ना, 6 बजता है घर चले जाते हैं. They leave. कल कर लेंगे या कल हो जाएगा ये कर. But then ये सब इंटरनल स्ट्रेंथ है जो कि बचपन से ये मेरे अंदर में रहा है. All these things have been there. So these are the internal things which there are a lot of things which I am proud of. I am proud of my strength. I am proud of my being strong willed. जो चाहते हो हम कर लेते हैं because of my strength, inner strength. And I always feel that the mind is stronger than the body. I will not let my body rule my mind. Irrespective of what age that I am in, I think I can work like people. Sometimes they are surprised. How many classes are you taking? I said 7, 8 classes I am taking in a day. People are surprised. How do you do this?
Willpower, ma'am.
So Vinayak, do not look at how old a person is. Look at what he or she has. Work gives me happiness. When there's no work, you feel upset. I feel upset. But when there's work can motivate you. So these are the things that has put me in an advantageous position. So answer this question very thoughtfully. Think about it. सोचिएगा. School का, घर का. Get all the good points what you have learned from your family. जब एजुकेशन के बारे में लोग बात करते हैं, why do you always run to the classroom? स्कूल में क्या सीखा है? घर में क्या सीखा तुम? सीखा भी है कि नहीं कोई घर में? नहीं. घर में बहुत कुछ सीखा होगा. पेरेंट्स से सीखा होगा, फैमिली मेंबर से सीखा होगा, बहुत कुछ सीखा होगा, अपने ब्रदर सिस्टर से सीखा होगा, राइट? I learned to do all my oral homework. Written homework I used to do in the evening, but all my oral homework I learned this from my younger sister. मैं उसको देखती थी. She used to get up before I used to get up. वो देखती she was ready. We used to go to school at 8:30. At 5 o'clock she was all ready. Iron skirt, blouse, shoes, socks, everything. Learning homework. सामने किताब है और गार्डन में जाकर के पेस कर रही है, पढ़ रही है. Yeah, that is good. कोई टेंशन नहीं, मुझे तैयार होना है, ये करना, वो करना, कुछ नहीं. All set already. She is learning, doing her homework, oral homeworks. आप देख के बहुत कुछ सीखते हैं. The environment will teach you a lot of things. तो आपने क्या सीखा है और किस तरह से उसको अपने सिस्टम में डाल दिए हैं, इन्हीं के बाद सीख के भूल गए. This habit of getting up early has stayed with me. When I teach students, like, what is your daily routine? The first thing is, what time do you get up? Normally, what time do you get up? The morning shows the day. If you get up early, you are in a very advantageous position. And if people get up at 6, and if you get up at 4 o'clock, you have gifted yourself 2 hours extra. And in 2 hours extra, what are you doing? Using it productively? Oh, whiling away time, chatting away with friends, or watching movies? No. Every time spent productively is a gift which you are giving yourself. So, in the next class, please come prepared for this. What advantages do you have that others don't have? Vinayak, I think I have answered your question.
Yes, ma'am.
अगर आपको लग रहा है कि आप में कुछ ज्यादा ही पेशेंस है, आप assertive है तो जानते हैं. I am a little more assertive. You can give examples when we are asked to ask questions in classroom. I have never failed to raise my hand and I've asked, because I think asking, when you ask, you will get. Right? So, Vinayak, always support your answer with examples, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
All these questions you need to listen to me first. आप हमसे सीखेंगे, सुनेंगे कि हम क्या बोलते हैं, इस क्वेश्चन को हम कैसे आंसर करते हैं. So I have given you the answer of this question, right? On the basis of which you come up with your answer. And of course, this is also going to, one question is a presentation. I hope I'm clear.
Yes, ma'am.
So I'll be waiting for your answers in next class. And BCA students, I might think of taking your class tomorrow. The
Yes,
same
ma'am.
time, yeah, I think I'll do that. I think you need it. Okay.
Thank you.